I don't think these people are noticing it. How can they not see that? And the sun already went down. I'm on the same time they're on. And there's no hint of very much light at all in the sky. It already went down. It's 8:18 here and there. This is, I think, Fort Myers. Whoa, dude, what happened? Okay, I waited a little bit so we wouldn't have to have such a long video. But I was wondering, has anybody experienced the frequencies in their house? Well, if you haven't, I want to play mine for you. I was telling some people about what I've been living with, and they shut down a few runways over here, so all planes are going north and south, double load, over my house. So it's 3 every minute and a half, but it's like a couple times an hour. I'll let you hear what I get. And it's in the house, but in person, you know, not on recorder, the pitch is really, really a lot higher, piercing in my ears. It's like directed right at me, literally. And it makes me have to cover my ears trying to block it, but it doesn't work. I can't stop from hearing it. But it's been this last month giving me nosebleeds every time it happens. So I've been losing a lot of blood for sure. And with my platelet level, I can't be affording too much more blood loss. But I took 2 tapes of it tonight. I recorded them so I could send them to JoJo. I'm going to play them for you. Here's the first one. I hope you can hear it. Okay, that was the first one. And here's the second one. It'll take a second. It's the plane. There's a plane going over. Ah. And that was the second one. That's how close they are together. As soon as I turn one off, the other one was there. So, has anybody else been experiencing it to where you can actually record it? Such a high pitch. Look at that sky. It's 8:28. The sun went down long ago. And look at that sky. I'm not certain what it'll do next, so I'm just going to let it run out a bit. No, I guess I won't. Looks like it froze up. Okay, we're back online again. Look at it. It looks like a bunch of fuzz up there. I guess we'll wrap it up for now. I just wanted to show you what it looked like after sunset. And that's what it looked like. And to play those frequency recordings for you of what I've been going through. It makes you not be able to sleep, too. It's really a tough thing to live with. And I'm curious, has anyone else hear it loud enough like that you can actually record it? So if so, leave something in the comments section. I'm going to actually upload this to see if I can hear it. See if the laptop picked it up. Alright, God bless everyone. Be good to each other, love each other, and show each other. Be good to your fellow brothers and sisters. Humanity, we really need each other right now. Alright, God bless. Bye.